Hey everybody, this is Martin Rooney and I am here in Pula, Croatia. And as you can see behind me, I am standing in one of the last Roman Colosseums. This is known as the Arena. And there are only a few hundred left in the entire world, but this one is unique in that the four towers, all existing towers in all corners, still continue to stand. So I want to talk about that in a minute, about continuing to stand 2,000 years later. But before I do, when I'm here, hey, when I'm reaching down my hands in the arena, I'm feeling the gravity of this place. People fought against man and beast to their deaths in here. There was great battles that took place in here. This place was the battlefield of life at that time. But what I want to challenge you is, hey, your battles each day are no less. Your battles each day don't mean anything different. See, every day you've got battles too. You've got to wake up and there's that battle to hit the alarm. Hey, do you dig your feet in? Like right now, I'm digging my feet in. Hey, do you dig your feet in when you wake up? Do you put them down and do you get started, or do you hit the snooze button? And then when you go down to that refrigerator and you open up the door, do you dig your feet into the arena of life and say you're going to choose the right thing and put it in that hole under your nose, or do you do the wrong thing? See, that's how you lose the battle. Hey, do you exercise? So you got to put your feet in the gym. That's the arena. You got to put your feet down and do something great. Is that happening on a daily basis? Are you winning the small little battles every day? See, there's a war going on, and you can win that war. You can win that war. You can be the warrior. You need to take on these battles, because the ultimate thing that I said before, 2,000 years ago, battles took place here, and this place still stands. They still remember it. So the secret, if you want to be remembered, the secret, if you want to do something great, is every day you have to take on one of those little battles. What is it that you're battling against? What is the thing? So whatever that thing is that you're battling, win that battle, win that war, and then take on another battle, which we will be more prepared for, and then take on another and another. And when you have done something great, hopefully 2,000 years from now, they remember you as well. So hey, bringing you that little motivation today. Take something on. Take on that battle and win it. Dig your feet into the ground in the arena of life and make something happen. So this is Coach Rooney. Guys, I'm going to keep bringing you more from trainingforwarriors.com. I am signing out from Pula, Croatia, and I'm asking you, are you ready to fight the battle today?